So in this video we're going to download something that we want to print. So we're going to go into Thingiverse and it's cold out there, we go windscreen, scraper. Not a massive choice. Let's change it from windscreen to windshield. Oh. There we go. Oh, 5 pages of them now. So sometimes if you're finding something, think about what an American might call it, and you may get a few more come up. Here we have so we've got plenty to choose from. So let's go with this one here. No logo on it, nothing. Play around. So we'll download that file. We'll save that. Right, now I want to alter it slightly, so I'm going to open Tinkercad. So tinkercad.com online, and you just create yourself an account for it. It's quite simple, very basics to use. So we'll go create 3D design. Right, so we don't want to go from scratch because we've already got something we want to just alter. So we'll go import, choose file, ice scraper, no logo, open, import. So right, now we've got the item we want to tweak slightly in here. We'll stick a bit of text on it. We'll change the text. So that's changed the text. We can change the font as well if you want. And then what we can do is we can push it so it indents into, and we can make it a hole. We can select the two items together and join them. We now have it embossed in. The other thing I'm thinking I might want to do is try and drag a triangle onto here. So it's a roof. If we take that and we pull that edge in and drop the height down to 10 millimeters, drag down a bit more, and we'll lift that up. Just spin it around so we can see where we are in relation to what we've got. Bring it forwards. And you can bring that up there. Well, we're a long way up in the air, so we'll bring that down. Just takes a bit of getting used to of what moves where. What I want to do is stick this on the back edge there. Now it wants to be part of, so I want to drop that down a bit lower. That should be now on it, and then this is the thing with Tinkercad, it's very easy to cock things up. We'll go back to that. what I'm trying to do is create this over the length, and the plan is that we'll print this bit here, which is why it's on a single layer, in some flexible TPU, and it should give us a scraper and a squeegee on the same handle. So just want to move it back in the that way a bit so it's on the centre, and then we need to just select everything and do a quick group, and that's ready now. So we can now go export as an STL file, and Tinkercad gives you some wonderful names. We'll change that to Helen's scraper, and we'll save that. And that's all ready now to be taken into the slicer.